So it's not working. It still have file in it, so I cannot install new ETA soon jailbreak. So I tried so many things, and this is the last choice that I did. If you have a problem like me, so I think you should do it. So this is the last chance that I do it, but I need to sign out iCloud first. Okay, now iCloud sign out. So this is the last thing I can think of. Okay, I do everything, reboot, restart, and now restore. So okay, this is the last thing to do it. So restore, and it's still on 18 iOS 8.4.1. So let's go. I will be back when it's done.